welcome to the Scrap Room. I'm Tina Gale, here to share a special project kit that we have available in the store right now. So this is a December album. This is curated by Simple Stories, and they're using their Simple Vintage Holly Jolly collection. You're going to receive everything that you need to create this album, as well as step-by-step instructions. So it comes with a special guide that their designers have created. It gives you everything that you're going to need. So it shows the paper, and excuse my notes, I have some exciting news coming up, so stay tuned for what we're going to offer you if you purchase this kit with us. So it gives you the paper and the sizes. Then it gives you step-by-step instructions with a color photograph of the finished page, and then everything that you're going to need to create it. So you can create your album with this, no problems. It's excellent instructions. But when you purchase from the Scrap Room, you're going to have access to some exclusive videos that are just for our customers of this kit. And I'm going to share the cutting instructions with you. I'm going to cut right along with you to help you out if you're more of a visual person than reading the instructions. I'm also going to give you some great tips. So there will probably be several videos. I'm going to give you tips of how I organize to create my December albums and show you some of the tools and tips that I use to hopefully give you some ideas so that you'll actually finish your album. And then I'm going to do some process videos of the actual pages. I'm still all in the planning stages, but there will be lots and lots of content for you to go through with this album. So this is exclusive if you order this kit through the Scrap Room. There'll be more about that later. When you order the kit, we'll have information for you. Let's dig in. I want to show you everything that you're going to get in this kit. It is just awesome. And I am a huge fan of the vintage collections, and this one is no exception. The Santa and all of the vintage icons, ornaments, and stuff is just gorgeous. So if that's your jam, you're going to love this kit. Let's start with the album first. They're going to give you this album here. It has this wide 2-inch binder, has the metal nameplate here so you can put in the year of the album that you're doing. I love when they put the corners and stuff in here because it just helps keep it intact for many years to come if people love to look at your albums. So when you open it up and you look at the inside, again, I love the detail that Simple Stories does. We have this black polka dot liner on the inside. You're also going to get inside of their albums, they always give you some pages and some pocket protectors. So I'll go through here real quick so you can see this. They're different sizes. They've done the calendar. I don't know if they do it every year, but several years that I've done it, they've done a calendar. I love that. And the wish list. And then look at the vintage ornaments. This, the little time card. I just think that is adorable. Christmas favorites. So you could do movie favorites, favorite gifts. Little banner here, tag. So we'll be creating all of these pages together. And then there's also this pocket page, and I always love to do a pocket page in an album because it gives you a place to put in receipts or extra photos or just all of that. Then you're also going to get the page protectors that are in here. So that is a look at the album. Gorgeous, and I love the red plaid. It just screams Christmas and home. Then let's take a look at the papers first, and then we'll go over the embellishments. So you're going to get a mixture of the 6x8 and 12x12 and cardstock. So let's start with the bigger papers. So you're going to get the journal element. So this is great to cut apart. We're going to put it in the pocket pages. We're going to embellish with them. It's just awesome. The back is this fun crossword puzzle. Then the 3x4 elements, again, they'll go in the pocket pages. We'll use some for embellishments. The back is this gorgeous holly with the red. And then we have this paper called Garland, and it's a green ledger print. So I hope that ledger will show up for you. And the back is a painted canvas print. And then we have the same thing in icicle. So that beautiful blue, turquoisey blue. Then we have some cardstock, and this is their textured cardstock, which I love. So again, hopefully this shows up, because one side is like a polka dot, and this other side is solid, so you can choose whichever side that you like best. I almost always do the polka dot because I just love it. So you're going to get it in tomato, which is a bright Christmas red, brick, which is more lean towards the burgundy. We have pine, again, traditional Christmas green, cream, and then the black. So we'll be using those for photo mats and different special pages in the book. Then you're going to receive half of the 6x8 paper pad. So this is one of each design. And I love these because this is just perfect just to put in your album. And I'm going to show you some cute little things that you can do to this that doesn't take a lot of time, but will just really elevate it to the next level. Love the little vintage deer. The gorgeous plaid. Here's that time card in the 6x8 size. Red plaid. That vintage Santa. And then the red ledger. This is another one that's just finished the way it is, but we can elevate it up and make it look so much cuter. In the back is that holly print, and then we have the fans, the polka dot, and then this newsprint with all of the Christmas. Do you remember the little bells that you could make in the different shapes? It was always fun. And then here's part of that element paper that you can cut apart and do even more things. Gorgeous turquoise plaid. Those vintage ornaments, a green with black polka dot, a sheet of tags. So we'll definitely be adding a lot of tags to the album. Green plaid. This print here is just gorgeous. It's just an old vintage winter scene. And then we have 3x4 elements. Look at that adorable little snowman. And that fun crossword puzzle, some more 3x4 elements, and the holly. So that is all the pattern paper. So you can tell we're going to have lots to work with. And then for the embellishments, there's going to be the 12x12 sticker sheet. And we have this border down here that's like faux stitched with two different patterns of scallops. That's a lot of fun. We have all of these little word labels. We'll definitely be using a lot of those. The banner up here, and then all of the little stamps and icons, those adorable snowmen and the deer again. So I just adore this collection. Then you're also going to get the package of brads. So these are always a lot of fun. These are not the brads where you have to poke holes in the paper. These are the sticky ones. So we have some really large and medium down to the solid small ones, and then some chipboard pieces down here. Then you're going to get a package of the page pieces. So these are designed for double page layouts where it just kind of shows you a simple way to throw a page together quick, and it's gorgeous. But we're going to be using these in the mini album. So we have a large title, the banner, Santa with his sleigh, a little label, more of the fans, and a little bingo card. And then you're going to get 2 of the 3x4 flaps. So these are a lot of fun. If you haven't used them before, this has adhesive behind it, and you can stick it in and add more journaling, more photos, more embellishments, whatever you want. But it just gives you extra space in your album. So there'll be 2 of those in your kit. And then you're also going to get a pack of the sentiment bits. So I'm not going to open this up because there is a lot in there, but it's lots and lots of words for titles and just a lot of fun. Again, that sweet little deer and the snowman and Santa. So you're going to get some of the icons along with the sentiments. So that is everything that you're going to get in this kit. Again, it is available in the store right now. And when you purchase from the Scrap Room, you'll have access to all of the bonus content that I'm going to film for you to create this album together and give you lots of inspiration and tips on organizing and creating the pages. So I hope you'll join us. Thanks so much for watching, and we can't wait to create this album together with you.